Sidedress is our next term, and of course we hear that all the time with vegetable gardening.
Yeah. And that's a term to describe a type of fertilization.
Okay.
You know, how you do that. You know, we can broadcast, just get out there and just throw it every which way. That's called broadcast. And then we have sidedress, and there's other terms as well for other types, but we're going to talk about sidedress. Okay. And that's usually in vegetable gardening. And you do that at a certain stage of growth when the plant is needing another big boost of fertilizer, and particularly nitrogen, to help them keep growing through the growing season. And to sidedress, you just open a trench right beside the row, away from where the seeds are, but close. You know, you don't want to burn the roots. And you just pull a trench and then just put your fertilizer there. Hence, sidedress. Yeah, right. And some of the other crops that we sidedress are typically the vining crops, vegetable vining crops like cucumbers, some of the squash that we have that vine, watermelons, cantaloupes. And we usually do that when they just begin to what we call run, you know, when they start vining.
Right. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.